That's why I keep it touch, I keep it ghetto, I keep it like, man.
How are you now?
They think I'm crazy,
Oh.
man. I can live with that shit.
So, mas na-request na dahil makarecord dyan.
Okay.
Hollywood.
Okay.
Do it like Hollywood, though.
Okay.
The Hollywood thing is, excuse me, sir, it's like, it's the way I live, like here.
That's a businessman talk,
Yeah, it's the business talk. I never talk like this. But you know what? I always say sir. In a situation like the way a situation like this, I just gotta represent the goddamn. Who the fuck they pulling this? Man, I'm a businessman too. That's what you can understand.
Businessman yan naman.
Mag-business ka.